struggling to use Peachtree because the language is a barrier? Let's get Peachtree set up to work in Amharic, making accounting easier for you. First, we need to make sure your computer supports Amharic. Go to your Windows settings by clicking the Start button, then the gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language. This is where you'll find the language settings for your computer. Next, select Language from the left-hand menu. You should see a button labeled Add a Language. Click on that. A list of languages will pop up. Scroll down until you find Amharic and select it, then click Next. Now, you'll see options for language features. Make sure the Install Language Pack box is checked, and click Install. This will download and install the Amharic language pack on your computer. After installation, you should see Amharic listed as one of your installed languages. You can now set it as your default language for Windows, if you wish, by moving it to the top of the list. Now, let's open Peachtree or Sage 50. While Peachtree, Sage 50 may not have a direct Amharic language option within the software itself, this setup enables you to input Amharic characters. You can now use the Amharic keyboard to enter data like customer names, addresses, and descriptions within Peachtree, Sage 50. If you still have trouble, check Sage's website for additional language support or plugins. Good luck.